All right, today we have an Apple Watch charger to unbox. Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me their portable Apple Watch charger in jet black so that we could unbox it and show it to you. That's essentially what it looks like, and the back just shows it's compatible with Apple Watch Series 7 SE 654 and 2. It has 3-level stand to place the iWatch, 34mm and 48mm adjustment button, and a red indicator light is working status, blue indicator light is standby status. And it wants you to use a 5-volt power adapter for watch charging. All right, so it seems like you just get the charger in here, which is what most people are really going to need. Let's open it up. There's our cable. All right, that's it for the box. So here is the actual charger, and this must be that button. Wow, okay. Interesting. So I guess if you have the smaller one, you would leave it pressed up, and if you have the bigger Apple Watch, you would press it down, and then it looks like that's really about it. There's not a whole lot to it. Your USB-C port is here on the side, so that's where your USB-C cable plugs in at, and then your Apple Watch just sits right on here. So here's my Apple Watch, for example. I'd just be able to take it, and it even magnetized on there for me. Very nice. Now mine's a smaller one, so I'd hit the button so that, you know, it would rest in the right spot. It's actually magnetic, so it stays there pretty well. So that'll do it for this Apple Watch charger unboxing. I do absolutely love the soft feel of it, and your status light is right there, so you know your watch is always charging. So again, thanks to the company for sending this to me, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.